Albert Einstein's enduring legacy, a plea for humanity and peace. Albert Einstein's final public act was signing the Russell-Einstein Manifesto on April 11, 1955, just days before his death. Its closing words form his ultimate message to the world. There lies before us, if we choose, continual progress in happiness, knowledge, and wisdom. Shall we instead choose death, because we cannot forget our quarrels? We appeal as human beings to human beings. Remember your humanity, and forget the rest. This urgent call for peace, reason, and shared humanity reflects his lifelong commitment to curiosity, understanding, and the responsible use of knowledge. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg, Germany, to a secular Jewish family. From childhood, he displayed an intense curiosity about the world. At age 5, a compass fascinated him, sparking wonder about invisible forces. Though slow to speak, he excelled in mathematics and physics, teaching himself algebra and geometry. His formal education included the Luitpold Gymnasium in Munich, where rigid teaching clashed with his independent thinking. At 16, he renounced German citizenship to avoid military service, moving to Switzerland. Enrolling at the Zurich Polytechnic, Einstein graduated in 1900 as a teacher of mathematics and physics. Struggling to find academic posts, he worked at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern from 1902. This stable job allowed time for deep thought. In 1905, his miracle year, while still a patent clerk, he published four groundbreaking papers. The first explained the photoelectric effect, proving light behaves as particles quanta, earning him the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics. Another introduced special relativity, overturning Newtonian concepts with the idea that space and time are intertwined, and nothing exceeds light speed. The famous equation equals mc emerged, showing mass and energy equivalence. These works revolutionized physics, emphasizing observation, logic, and imagination over rote authority. Einstein encouraged questioning established truths, a lesson vital for education. True learning stems from curiosity, not conformity. By 1915, Einstein completed general relativity, describing gravity as spacetime curvature caused by mass, predicting light bending around massive objects. It was confirmed in 1919 during a solar eclipse, making him world famous. Overnight, he became a symbol of genius and scientific progress. Einstein's influence extended to American education and culture. Fleeing Nazi Germany in 1933, he was Jewish and opposed authoritarianism. He settled in the United States, joining the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. Here, he mentored young scientists, promoting open inquiry and international collaboration. Though pursuing a unified field theory unsuccessfully, his ideas inspired quantum mechanics advancements, GPS technology, relativity corrections, and modern cosmology. In classrooms, relativity teaches critical thinking, challenging absolutes, embracing evidence. Einstein championed education reform, advocating joyful, creative learning over memorization. He believed imagination more important than knowledge, urging students to explore freely. His letters to children encouraged wonder, reminding them science reveals nature's beauty. Beyond science, Einstein was a humanitarian. Opposing war, he initially supported World War I defensively but became a pacifist after its horrors. In the 1930s, fearing Nazi atomic research, he co-signed a letter to President Roosevelt warning of nuclear bombs' potential, spurring the Manhattan Project. Later regretting this, he campaigned against nuclear weapons. His final years focused on peace. In 1955, amid Cold War tensions and hydrogen bomb development, Bertrand Russell drafted a manifesto warning of nuclear annihilation. Einstein signed it days before hospitalization, knowing death neared from an aortic aneurysm. The manifesto urged leaders to renounce war, prioritizing humanity over conflict. A profound educational message. Knowledge without ethics risks destruction. Refusing further surgery, Einstein said, "It is tasteless to prolong life artificially. I have done my share. It is time to go. I will do it elegantly." He worked on a unity speech for Israel until the end, embodying lifelong dedication. Einstein's American legacy is vast. Naturalized in 1940, he influenced policy, civil rights supporting NAACP, criticizing segregation and free speech. His image, wild hair, thoughtful gaze symbolizes intellectual freedom. In education, Einstein inspires STEM programs. Relativity and quantum ideas form curricula, teaching perseverance. Theories evolve through testing. His mistakes, like cosmological constant, show science as human endeavor. He promoted global citizenship, warning nationalism breeds conflict. Supporting Zionism humanely, he advocated Arab-Jewish cooperation. The Russell-Einstein Manifesto birthed pugwash conferences, fostering scientist diplomacy for disarmament ongoing, education and responsibility. Einstein's message endures: choose wisdom over quarrel. In divided times, it urges empathy, reason, curiosity. Nuclear threats persist. His plea reminds us progress lies in unity. For American youth, Einstein models resilience. From patent clerk to icon, he proved ideas triumph barriers. Dropout myths aside, he valued self-education. Quotes like "the important thing is not to stop questioning" motivate learners. Imagination encircles knowledge. He said creativity unlocks understanding. Einstein taught humility. Universe's mysteries humble us, fostering awe. His cosmic religious feeling inspired ethical science. Today, amid AI and climate challenges, his vision guides. Use knowledge humanely. Remember humanity. Einstein's life bridged 19th-20th centuries, reshaping thought. From relativity bending reality to peace advocacy bending hearts. He left tools for better world, as educators nurture minds. His legacy shines. Foster curiosity. Embrace diversity. Pursue truth peacefully. In choosing knowledge and wisdom, we honor his final, timeless appeal.